Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put GIFs in Steam profile picture. First of all, head over to your Steam profile by clicking on your username in the top right corner and selecting your profile. Now on your profile page, click on the artwork option located on the right hand side. Since you might not have any artwork uploaded yet, click on upload artwork. You can choose to upload artwork for a specific game. For this tutorial, we'll select Node Game. Now here you can give your artwork a title. You can also add a description to it. Now to find and download GIFs, open your web browser and search for no copyright GIFs. Click on any website, find a suitable GIF and download it to your computer and ensure it's in a format Steam supports, such as GIF or JPG. And go back to Steam and you can choose your downloaded zip file by clicking on file. Now you can also add a description if you want. After filling all the necessary details, click on save to continue, and that's pretty much it. That's how to put GIFs in Steam profile picture. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.